Okay, so good day everyone. Welcome po to Titulyo 101 kung saan namin sinisigurado yung property ninyo ay inyo. Ako po si Ria Sugapong and kasama ko po si Miss Geraldine Ang. Today we'll be answering questions regarding the basics of land titles, tsaka ano ba yung, for example, differences between certain documents po. So, to introduce niyo muna for our speaker today, this is Miss Geraldine Ang. She is from REBAP Global, the Gig Prateros chapter. She's the EVP. Tapos yung specialization po niya, because this is why we consulted her po, is within raw land consolidation, and land titles po. So, Miss Geraldine, first question, what is the primary legal difference between tax declaration and the certificate of title?
Okay. Hi, I'm Geraldine Ang. Yun. So, difference between tax declaration and certificate of title is tax dec is not a proof of ownership. So, meaning it is used only for tax collection, administrative planning, and used to establish assessed value of the property for taxation. The issuing authority of this are the city assessors of the office or the municipal assessors. For the land title naman, this is the proof of ownership. Yun. So, it is the legal ownership of a property and records the chain of title, meaning you can do the trace back of
Mm.
the title. Makikita nyo doon. So, syempre, overview pa lang tayo sa titling. So, it is the primary evidence of ownership. The issuing authority of this is the Registry of Deeds or the Land Registration Authority. Yun yun.
Ganun siya. So,
Yeah.
yan yung, if that's the primary difference,
Mm.
tapos, di ba sabi nyo, Registry of Deeds yung nag issue ng title. So, sino yung nag
Yes.
issue naman ng tax deck?
So the municipal assessor or the city assessor office.
Mm.
Yeah.
So, how come like, kasi 'di ba there are some people, for sure common problem to sa mga Filipino na tax deck lang talaga yung nakuha nila for the purchase for
Yes.
whatever reason it is. Bakit considered siya as a higher risk for buyers pag tax deck lang yung nasa property?
Okay. Siyempre, as we all know, the proof of ownership talaga is the title. Yon.
Mm.
So, tax declaration kasi, there may be unclear or dispute ownership. Like history, sa history nila. An example of which might be yung possession or informal occupants. 'Di ba? So, like what you said a while ago, ancestral na yan, so pwede yon. But then, it's not the proof of ownership talaga. Yung, ano, kaya it's high, kasi sometimes the squatters or claimants are there lang and selling the property. So, it's not, that's why it's called, high risk talaga siya. Yun.
Mm.
So, what to do kasi, if you want to buy talaga the tax declaration, you have to do some research of the land title. So, title verification or kasi medyo mahabang process yan. So, on the superficial note muna tayo, 'di ba? 'Yun.
Mm.
Mhm.
Right. So, follow up lang to that question.
Sige.
What if walang title period yung property mo? So, like, how do you get one? Parang ganun. If there has been no title at all or hindi mo mahanap yung title. Ganun.
Meron yan. You can rely on the tax deck. Kasi from the tax declaration, you can see the PSD or PSD number.
Mhm.
If may mga survey number yan, so check mo. You can check on the Bureau of Lands sa
Mhm.
DNR for the survey number. Yun. So
Mhm.
medyo maraming process, pero the tax deck kasi you can use it for the basis of titling
Mhm.
basis. Yeah. Doon. Nasa nakikita mo doon yung information na kailangan mo.
Right. So,
Yun.
parang it's not entirely wrong na pwede mong sabihin na tax deck, I own this property. It's just that kailangan mo lang ng title para ma-formalize. Parang ganun.
Possible yon kasi maraming illegal na ano, pero possible yon na you can, o pwede mo siyang ma-formalize using the tax declaration.
Mm,
Maayos. Pero dapat, as I've said a while ago, you do some research talaga. Thorough research.
mm.
Yun. Kaya high
Talagang
risk.
high
Kaya,
risk.
pero, yeah,
Kaya
pero
that's
kaya
why
nga,
end all be all title talaga dapat.
yeah. And talagang
Mm-mm.
ang proof of ownership is a title talaga. Yun yun.
Mm-mm. Right.
Mhm.
Okay. So tapos another thing that we have is like for example, magpapaloan ka.
Yeah.
So pero wala kang title. Tax deck lang. Let's say that if I go
Mhm.
to a bank tapos tax deck lang hawak ko, they're going to refuse it as collateral. So what's the reasoning behind that?
Because of the uncertainty of the
Mm-mm.
transferability. So, and marketability. So, hindi mo alam paano mata-transfer. You cannot,
Mm.
as we will go back to the title again, it's the proof of ownership kasi untitled. So,
Mm-mm.
tax deck is not a proof of ownership. Yun yun.
So, like, let's say, wala akong title or whatever, pero I need to loan kasi wala akong pera. How would
Mm.
this work, for me, for example? Yung parang toxic lang
I think,
hawak ko, wala akong untitled or wala akong title na hawak at least for the property, but I need to get a loan for
pero
a
nakapangalan sa
refund.
yung tax deck. Nakapangalan sa
Yeah,
yung
let's
tax
say
deck.
that like
So,
that. Mm-mm.
the bank for sure will require you to secure for the title.
Mm.
Kahit naka-name sa'yo yung tax declaration, you have to prove the bank na
Mm.
you own the property. Yun yun.
Right, right, right. Sige.
Mm.
So it's
Mm.
really down to getting first like the title or if you don't have the title yet, kailangang i-prove muna na ikaw talaga yung
And and
mm-mm.
kailangan kasi you have to surrender because the bank will
Mm-mm.
do the annotations
Right,
later on
right.
this time.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Right.
So, dun din,
Mm-mm.
i-annotate nila kasi and you will surrender the title to the bank as
Mm.
collateral.
Of course,
Ganun.
right. Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Gets, gets, gets.
Mm.
Sige. That's why. So, yung title is the ultimate protection essentially para sa mga properties mo. Kahit na nakasabihin mo tax deck, it's really,
Yeah.
dapat title is, gives you more, like 100% protection. Parang ganun. Mm-mm.
Yeah, and talagang proof of ownership natin dito is the Torrens title. Yun.
Mm.
Yeah.
Torrents title, just really quick, can you give a rundown of this kung ano yung torrents title? Kasi baka may mga hindi familiar sa term na yan. Alam lang nila title. What's a
It's
torrents title?
it's a title per se, yung certificate of title natin. Yun.
Mm.
So yun.
So
Mhm.
like let's say it's a new title. Like I will get a torrents title. Like for a property that's wala siyang title whatsoever. Therefore,
Mhm.
magkakaroon ako ng torrents. Parang ganun.
Yeah, oo. Tapos actually depende kung how will you get. Usually kasi yung mga ganyan na may decree, marami kasi siyang ano, may
Mm.
OCT, like yan, ganyan.
Mm.
Decree. So maraming ano talaga klase. Pero isa pa rin yan,
Mm.
lalabas pa rin sa Transfer Certificate of Title, TCT pa rin. So
I
yung
see.
mga, yeah, ganun yun. So depende kung saan siya galing. Ang dami siya. May mga free patent, like if you will come to ano, may mga CLOA title, EP title, so marami. So basically, title pa rin, issued by the Registry of Deeds pa rin. Ganun pa rin.
Mm.
Na-register pa rin sa Registry of Deeds. Ganun siya.
Mm-mm. I see.
Mm.
Sige. Thank
Mhm.
you again, Miss Geraldine.
Ah,
You explained kasi this is your ultimate protection talaga for your property getting a title. So
yeah.
everyone, for the next episode, we'll be moving from these differences of tax deck versus titles. We're moving to procedures sa Registry of Deeds naman. Okay? So I'll see you in the next episode. We will see you in the next episode. Sige.